Hey Serena, what are you doing?
Are you decorating your classroom for Halloween?
No, don't be ridiculous. I'm actually doing up a lesson resource for P3 and P4 class.
Let me guess, it got to do with spiders, am I right?
Oh, ding ding ding, you've got it right.
Use a dessert to describe your teaching style.
It's got to be the devil's fruit cake. Sweet, but devilish, like me.
Can I have that?
No, mine.
Okay, now, how would you teach your students to describe this?
My favorite food! The tantalizing smell of freshly fried French fries wafted in the air.
What's your favorite catchphrase in class?
Do your checks.
Can I have some of your fries?
Of course.
Thanks. What's the best perk about being a teacher and how?
Enjoying my time with my wonderful colleagues, of course.
Hey, that's nice. What's the best perk about being a student in your class?
Being blessed with my company. Here, Joe, you've been blessed with draft twos.
So, what's your secret talent?
If I told you, I would have to kill you.
If you can choose to teach any subject or skill, what would it be?
Mastering the force.
Complete this sentence. Teacher by day.
Chef by night. Hello everyone, thank you all for watching. If you want to find out more about how our team at Writers at Work helps students achieve A* for English composition writing, check out our website at writersatwork.com.sg or our Facebook page. Hope to see you there. Bye!